my name is Julie.
And I'm Ariana.
And today we are going to be making a DIY essential oil infused body butter.
Yeah.
The things that we're going to be using, we have our organic coconut oil. We just picked this up at our local Target. And we also have 100% raw shea butter, which we also just got at Target. So we're going to be adding 2 different essential oils. We're going to be using tea tree and frankincense. They're both known for their skin support abilities. Yeah. So we're really looking forward to that. I'm in school for dental hygiene, so I'm constantly putting on gloves. And anyone who works in any type of medical profession knows your hands get really dry and cracked from washing them all the time. And just the gloves, they kill your skin. So we pre-measured ours out. We have half of it, which is filled with the raw coconut oil, and the rest is the shea butter. And we're going to melt them in the microwave. It should only take about 30 seconds, and we'll check back in you when they're done. All right. So we just took these out of the microwave, and this is the consistency that we have. It's nice and runny. Hi everybody, so it's been about an hour since we put these in the fridge, and I just wanted to show you how hard they get. I'm going to open this up, and as you can see, they're already set. So turn it upside down, it's not going to fall out. But if you stick your finger in it, it's going to melt with your body temperature to kind of like a cream texture, and then you just rub it in. And there's your body butter.